Meaning of D W Griffith.
D W Griffith.
D W Griffith.
D W Griffith.
D W Griffith. D W Griffith was an American film director and producer, who played a key role in the early development of cinema. He is best known for directing the controversial film The Birth of a Nation, which is considered a landmark in cinematic history but also criticized for its racist depiction of African Americans. Griffith's contributions to film language and storytelling techniques have had a lasting impact on the medium. Despite his significant achievements, his legacy is complicated by the racist themes in his most famous work.